Daniel Parsons, wellness enthusiast since 2005. Today's short video is going to be about your options for purchasing the pHix supplement. And this is not intended to treat, cure, prevent any disease or illness. Each one of these containers has 30 of these individual little packets, and you just fold it, snap it, and then from the top, I recommend, okay, let me just start the process. So here it is, you have it, it's sealed. You'll just fold it where the white is on the outside. Then I grip it at the top and then just start to work my fingers down, and all of the liquid will squeeze right into the beverage of your choice. And so there's options. I'm putting on parsonsmarketing.net/shop. I'm putting the 30-day supply. And so the company site, the price is $99.95. And so I'm going to honor that price. And so if you want to get a 30-day supply, try it out, see what it does for your visceral fat. And then I will show you how to get this product when you have an auto ship at a lower price, okay? Because I am just like anybody else in America. We pay our bills, and sometimes it's a struggle in the economy of 2024. So money doesn't grow on trees out here in the forest in Washington State. That's why I'm still working. So anyway, when you want to participate in the income plan, it's $200. And let me show you what you get. You'll get 2 of these samples. It's called a Weekender pHix pack. And so I'm not endorsing the consumption of beer. This is just the way that these come. This hops extract, it works. It's really weird, but it really works effectively on visceral fat loss, and there's documented scientific studies about this. So, but I am not endorsing the consumption of alcohol, okay? So you get 6 of these individual little servings in each of these packets. So these, if you're doing some promotion, you would want to give to people that have been very good leaders for you in the past. You also get 2 of these individual 30-day supply packets, and that's pretty nice little packaging. And then you have a QR code, and you have supplement facts on the back. These, the shelf life is for 2 years. They added a very tiny amount of sodium to preserve, and I learned that from the conference call with the doctor. And so recapping, for $200, and then you're going to need to pay a $29.95 annual fee, which includes all of the marketing tools at your website. It's a fantastic website. And so you'll get 2 of the 6-pack. So you're getting 72 of the pHix servings for $200, and then $29.95 for your website for 1 year. And then there's also a $10. So you're looking at $240, and there's no tax charged, okay? And so then that way you come in, and then you can refer others. And for everybody that joins our team, I have another incentive for you. We will make you the site just like I have here, healthhomebusiness.com/Daniel is my username with the MPG Marketplace Global business. And so you'll get this here. There's all kinds of videos, graphics. There's explaining how and why this works. Okay, there's another video there. And then here you see this is get started. That's for somebody that wants the business. And then shop. That's for somebody that just wants to buy as a customer. And so here are some of your testimonials. And then let me go ahead and read this. So join us, get a free website personalized to you. It'll have your details on here instead of mine. I'm having one made for some team members today. This is an independent MPG consultant website, not a company website. All information and opinions expressed on this site are that of the consultant and not endorsed by the company. No income is guaranteed or implied. As an independent consultant, MPG registered trademark is not intended to prevent or cure any disease, illness, or conditions. If you have any concerns, please consult your physician. So this is Daniel, and that's all for today. By the way, if you like to do business the old-fashioned way like me, pick up the phone and call me. Pacific Time Zone weekdays, 360-383-0265. Pacific Time Zone weekdays. Thank you very much. Bye.